So this is day four of building the web application for AI for Pinoys, and I'm currently using an AI agent called Emergent. And as you can see, this is the sort of the landing page. Yan. So I'm all clear, but try natin sample ano. So if I open it, looks like this. Yan. So this is going to be like the landing page for the AI for Pinoy. So bali yung question, what is your biggest problem? You mentioned ko yesterday, and then you can write, or you can choose which problem, and then you can click on this icon. I mean, it still looks ugly for me, pero I think pwede siyang ayusin pa. So gumawa rin ako ng toggle for light mode or dark mode. So parang ganyan ang concept niya. So I still have a couple of changes kasi wala kang logo pa. So kailangan pa ayusin yung logo, dumi ng screen. Anyway, so yan. Just wanted to share this quick update for day 4 of the Building in Public with AI for Pinoys. Great, so hindi pa pala tapos. So inayos ko lang siya ulit. So instead of having that big colorful button, so ginawa ko na lang siyang yung frame na lang yung may kulay. So I think it looks much better than yung isa. So that's the changes. And then yung nga, like I said, I think it also works well pag white yung background. So yung parang yung Philippine flag yung umiikot din sa border nito. So yun na inisip ko lang. No? At least sa user interface at na testing lang na para maganda lang tignan. I don't know. So yeah, anyway, this is an add-on.